Okay, so my mini PC arrived, and with the use of a Bluetooth mobile game controller, I can turn it into a cheap Steam Deck clone. Although it's not powerful enough to actually play modern Steam games. Um, I'll show you the full setup in a bit, but I mean, in the next scene. But it's cool. This is replacing a Raspberry Pi, but it's sort of pre-replacing the Raspberry Pi because I still want to use the Raspberry Pi for my thing. So I'll show you that, and then I'll show you this replacing that, and I'll explain why. Okay, so I wanted to build something kind of like the Alpha Smart, and as you can see, if I kind of angle it right, uh, it looks like it has a wide screen, but it's actually kind of like a cash register display. So you've got like 4 characters vertically, and then I don't know, some number horizontally, and it's like text only. I wanted to replicate that with this abomination. And inside of here is a Pi Zero, and this is an e-ink display, so the whole thing has pixels, it's just only black and white. This is a USB hub, and it is currently powered by a battery supply, and I thought I did good picking the battery supply, but this flashlight don't work, so it's like a Chinese ripoff or something. When you power it on, one of the USB hubs does light up, but there's not enough energy for the keys to light up. Also, I think I need a second one for plugging the that into the Pi and getting it to power up. So our first issue, upon plugging it all in for this mock-up for this video right here, I realized that we don't have sufficient power. That's a problem, especially because it's a low power device and you should always have sufficient power. Second issue, I got to program a bespoke OS for this because this is a toy made to teach kids how to type, okay? And I fell in love with this because I used to use an old typewriter when I was a little kid during like activity time at my old class. And then later in one of my middle schools, I had permission to raid the supply cabinet, or maybe I didn't have permission, but I was raiding the supply cabinet, and I found this from like the mid 90s or late 80s, just like chilling out in the supply cabinet, and I like begged for permission to use it, and they gave it to me. This isn't that same one. They wouldn't let me take it home, but I found one online, so there. Then yeah. So I'm gonna remove these. Oh, right. It's all affixed with Velcro. That way you can. It's modular, and you can what is the word? Reconfigure it. So I'm gonna put my all-in-one like mini PC here where the guts currently are. And then I'm going to maybe put like a removable portable solid state drive right here so I can have extra space. And then that should be able to handle this keyboard. Sorry. Redhead's shed. Sorry. Anyways, okay. So yeah. And I don't know what kind of dumbassery I was doing here, getting like a full-sized one for something that's not full-sized. But like the idea is this is like this really cushy thing. So hold on, let me put this back. Ugh. Wrong way. Ugh. There we go. Okay. I just love janky technology. It's my favorite thing. Okay. See, it sits on your lap all nice, and then you got your keyboards and your writing environment. It's good, man. It's cozy. I like it. Right. So I planned on writing a what is it called? A text only interface. Command line interface. That's what it's called. With like not just writing tools, but like hacking tools too. So like a what do you call it? So like you'd have like the Vim editor for programming, and you'd have like a word processor, and you'd have like a Wi-Fi module and stuff like that. And then ideally it'd be like, I think I'm over ambitious. I was going to program my own bespoke OS for it, but I think what I really need is a version of Linux that's got its graphics settings set to potato and like a really weird aspect ratio and a black and white screen. That should probably work. I didn't know this had an HDMI out, but now that I know that it does, it'll be easier to program for, because the problem is this screen has to be programmed to work, okay? Which means you need a second screen, and I didn't know that this had the HDMI. I guess I just forgot or spaced or blanked. So actually putting this together today to show you guys my junk PC is going to help me actually get this dream coming true. I just need a more powerful power supply than that currently offers. So yeah, it would be cool. It shall be cool. Okay, so here it is reduced to bits. I've got the stuff over here. Another thing I wanted to show you guys is that it has storage. So I can slide my weird knockoff Steam Deck mobile phone controller in here, and then use my weird knockoff Steam Deck handheld portable mini PC here, and then bada bing bada boom. So yeah. I guess what I should do is put a diagonal command strip on the mini PC that goes across these two, and then put a vertical one on both the mini PC and this part of my lap desk. So yeah, I don't know what the speckle is. I don't know if that's like a manufacturing thing, or if like the cat's got to it. I don't know. Dust everywhere though, it's kind of gross. I don't know. I don't want to clean it though, this thing's flimsy. I mean, it's comfortable, but it's flimsy, so we'll just leave it kind of cruddy as it is. And yeah. Okay, here it is booting up for the first time. You missed it. There was like colors and stuff. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Yeah, check that out. That's pretty cool, huh? Oh no, the shutter speed. Wonder if I need like special firmware to customize it. That's kind of cool. I think I can pick the colors, but I think I have to go into like a special firmware menu for that. Let's see here. Oh well, I'll figure this out. But yeah, so that concludes the video. We've got let me turn the flash back on. So we've got a working keyboard. We've got a working computer. Looks like everything is good, and even though it's a little bit heavy to the right, it is still pretty comfy. I could see myself just kind of chilling. Hell yeah, that's comfy. Alright, bye y'all.